Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm John, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my 5-minute day trading strategy and what I'm doing before the market open and before the take the trades. I'm going to show you now. So there are two things guys, as you can see, the setup and the entry. For the setup you just use the levels, as you can see, and for the entry it's push, retrace, and the second push. So I'm going to show you what are them. So let's get right into it. So you can say like, what's the whole style of trading, right? So we are playing the opening range breakout right after the market open. So let me get it close a little bit. Yeah, so maybe market opening is different time for where you live, but in Turkey market opens at 4:30 p.m. So we are betting right when market opens, the most volatile time out whole entire day on the most volatile indexes in the US, and which is Nasdaq and the US 30 Dow Jones, if you know. So whether it's up or go down, it doesn't matter. If it's go up, we will long, and if it's go down, we will short, right? So and we will win in the either direction. Like if nothing happens, right? I mean, if it's neither go up or go down, we don't take a trade. So that's just simple as that. So this style of trading is just called like breakout trading, and it's been around 40 years, right? I don't know any day trading strategy that this long, right? So I'm going to show you what are we doing right before the market opens, guys. Let's mark the market open candle 4:25, because this is like I'm on the 5-minute chart, right? So this is the market opening candle, as you can see, this black one. Yeah, and then we are marking out the levels and building that range, right? So you can say like, yo John, you're saying levels a lot. So what are the levels, guys? Levels are places where market is reacting a lot, right? So I just marked before the record the video, so I'm going to make the video shorter, right? So where the market reacts a lot, right? As you can see, one reacts here, second reacts here, thrice, fourth, fifth, right? If we go back, you can see more, right? Like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? It goes like 11, 12, 13 if we go back down, as you can see right here, right? So this is the low level, guys, before the market opens. This is our low level. So I'm going to show you the up level, which is these blue line. So here we go. It hit once here, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? It goes, if we go back like 8, 9, 10, right? And 11, it reacts a lot. So we are called these lines are levels. So let's see how do we take a trade, right? We just mark the levels. So let's go to enter the trade, right? Push, retrace, and second push. So let's get closer. As you can see, this is the 4:30 candle. So before this take the trade, what are we doing? We need to go to lower time frame, which is 1-minute time frame. What are we looking for? Where is market opening? Right here, right? So this is Friday, 21st August. So as you can see, guys, market opens with this candle, right? This is 4:30 candle, right? On the 1-minute time frame. So what the price did? Look, price go down, right? And price go push down, and it made a little retrace, as you can see. Look, can you see? This is our retrace. Push down to the level, and it retrace our level again, right here, as you can see, and then push back again. So we make money like this. We take the trades on sell, right? We make the everything right. Push down, go up, a little bit retrace, and the second push. So John, you can say like, okay, we marked levels, but what about the TPs, right? And the stop losses. All right, I'm going to show you on the time, 5 minute time frame. So here's the market opening. So here we go. We just need to find the fair value gaps. I'm doing like this. Before the market opening, I'm marking the fair value gaps. All right, as you can see, there's a fair value gap right here. So I just marked, and one more right here, right? As you can see. So I'm going to mark this as well. So here we go. So okay, John, you mark the fair value gaps, but what about the TPs? All right, guys, I'm marking the TPs like this. Boom, like this. Yo, John, what is this, man? So I'm going to show you. I'm marking the TP levels with the green lines like this. So, but what is the point, right? So if you like look closely, you can see I'm putting this line middle of the fair value gap, right? Can you see this little dot or the little square? I'm trying to put on these like middle of the fair value gap. So the other TP will be right here. Boom. Where is this? Is the down of this little square, right? So I'm putting here. All right, that's really good. So I'm deleting these rectangles. So boom. So as you can see, this first TP is really close, right? So we cannot make a lot of money with this. So I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to keep these second TP, right? So we can make money. So as you can see, if we go to lower time frame, so it go down, it go up a little bit, retrace, and as you can see, the market made a level right here as the down of this candle. So when we break this level, we are taking the trade, right here, like this. Boom, it go down. So we took this trade until this TP level. Boom. So I made $500 Friday. So it was a really good A+ setup, and as you can see, we did everything right. Push down, little bit retrace, and boom, go down. So you can make money like this. But John, if it was go up, what should we do? Like price go down, up, right? Push up, then make a little bit retrace, and it go down there, right? So if you need to mark the upper TP, right? So we can just look for a fair value gap, but as you can see, we cannot make a lot of money with this fair value gap, right? Because look at this distance, right? This is not cool. So we need to find the bigger one. So sorry, higher one. So where is the higher one? As you can see right here. Whoa, there is a upper fair value gap. So I'm going to take this line to the middle of this fair value gap, right? Boom, it's really cool. So when the price up, and if it makes a little bit of retrace, boom, we can make money with the buy, right? So I'm going to make money like this. So John, like, okay, you make money on the Friday, but what about the Thursday, right? So let's make same thing with the on Thursday then, right? So here we go. Where is the 4:30? Right here, right? So this is our market opening candle. So right before the market opening, we need to mark these levels again, right? So boom, right here. So make this blue again. This aqua is great. So look, why John? Why is here? So as you can see, first touch, second touch, and third touch, right? So what about the upper level, right? It will be right here. It's perfect. So why John is here? So as you can see, guys, first touch, second touch, and third touch again. So you can check more, like if you go back right here, right? So this is lower and this is upper line, right? This level up right here hits, 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 right? It hits one more time, right? It hits one more time, and this is perfect level lines for us right before the market opening, right? So what did the market opens? As you can see, guys, it go up, right? So boom, retrace again, so it go up again. So John, how can we make money like this? All right, what we should to do, we need to mark the fair value gaps, right? So there's a fair value gap right here, and boom, middle of the fair value gap, which is green, right? Boom, right here. But as you can see, this distance is not enough for us, right? So we need to find the higher one. So where is the higher one? Is, as you can see, right here. So boom, perfect. So we need to clean this rectangle. All right, so let's see. We need to go to lower time frame, which is 1 minute. So we need to go to the market opening, right? All right, this black one is the candlestick of the market opening. So market opens with these one and go up right here, right? And then retrace again until here. It's a perfect retrace and go up, right? So John, all right, where is the sign of the taking trade, right? As you can see, guys, I told you before, as you can see, boom, there is a level, right? Look, this is the ending of this candle, right? So when these price break this level, boom, it gives you a signal to take a trade. So it goes up, it goes down, and boom, hit this level again. So perfect. So John, what about the if it was go down, right? So if it was go down like this and hit the retrace again and second push, right? We need to mark this level, but it didn't. So, but like, let's do it for you, right? Fair value gap right here, right? This is the middle of the fair value gap. As you can see, it's here. So clean this rectangle from here. But as you can see, this distance is not enough. So what should we do? Mark the second fair value gap. You are right. Boom. Where is that? Right here, right? Boom. Middle of these fair value gap and perfect. Boom. If it goes down like this, yeah, we could make a lot of money. So let's go back to Thursday again. As you can see, market go up, made a little bit of retrace, and boom, hit this level. So I made over $500 on this Thursday. So it was really good trades. So I hope you understand the strategy that I use. So you can make a lot of money with this. Of course, I'm not guarantee it, but you know, when you getting these experiences, when you spend a lot of time on the charts and the markets, you can see it anymore and you can make money. So thank you for watching and see you later.